This groovy piece has 3 chord patterns. For the verses, we're going to start on B minor 7, B, D, F sharp, A. Give me that. B, D, F sharp, A. For a bar, and then we'll go to E7, E, G sharp, B, D. E, G sharp, B, D. For a bar, back and forth. In one hand, that could look and sound like this. 2, 3, B minor 7, 2, 3, 4, E7, 3, 4, B minor 7, E7. In two hands, that verse pattern could look and sound like this. 2, 3, 4, dig it. The pre-chorus pattern features a rising 4 chords, starting on a G major, G, B, D. Take that up a step to an A major, A, C sharp, E. Up another whole step to a B minor, B, D, F sharp. And then up to an E major, E, G sharp, B. In two hands, that pre-chorus pattern could look like this. 2, 3, start on G, A, B minor, E, 2, 3, 4. And lastly, the chorus pattern is going to start again on that B minor 7, B, D, F sharp, A. Just for 2 beats, right to an E7, E, G sharp, B, D. All 4 notes, give me up. 2 beats, D major, D, F sharp, A. 2 beats, and then on a G major 7, G, B, D, F sharp. Gonna give us this fun chord for 2 beats. In one hand, that chorus pattern could look and sound like this. 2, 3, watch me. In two hands, that chorus pattern could look and sound like this. A 2, a 3, 4. B minor 7.